Supported file formats. Supported file formats. What about supported files formats? We have many formats here now, like AAC format and AIFF format and M2A and M4A and MP2 and MP3 format, and video import formats. So what about video import formats, like .264, 3GB and 3GBP and AVC and AVI and FORF, F4V and FLV and MOV and QuickTime, MP and MPG and 1 MPG and 4 MPG too, if a decoder is installed, for example, with an above video suite like MTS and MXF and R3D and ES and VOP, and video export formats like DBX, MOV, QuickTime MP4, and graphic file formats. By the way, Photoshop BSD large document format like BSP and BMP, Cineon, and CompuServe, GIF Photoshop DCS 1.0, Photoshop DCS 2.0, and DICOM Photoshop and EBS IFF format, and the JPG 2000 format, and OpenEXR and BCX Photoshop PDF Pixar and PNG Portable, Bitmap and Photoshop RAW settings, CT Targa, TIFF wireless bitmap Photoshop 2.0, and if you use Mac only, and BICT read only, and BICT resource like Mac only or can open only radials. So what about 3D related formats? 3D related formats like 3D Studio, import only, and DAE, Collada, and Flash 3D export only, and the JBS, JPG stereo, and KMZ, Google Earth 4, and MPO, multi-picture format, and U3D, Wavefront, OBG, all this format. Thank you so much.